Departure. The time when your flight leaves. Traveler. Excuse me, what time is the departure for Flight 205? Staff. The departure is 3 p.m., but please check the board for updates. Arrival. The time when your flight lands. Traveler. Can you tell me the arrival time of Flight 305? Staff. It's arriving at 5:30 p.m. Check-in. The process where you give your luggage and get your boarding pass. Traveler. Where can I check in for my flight to New York? Staff. You can check in at counter 10. Boarding pass. The ticket you need to board the plane. Traveler. I can't find my boarding pass. Can I get a new one? Staff. Sure, I can print a new boarding pass for you. Gate. The area where you board your plane. Traveler. Excuse me, where is gate B15? Staff. Gate B15 is down this hallway, and to the right. Baggage claim. The area where you pick up your luggage after the flight. Traveler. Where is the baggage claim for Flight 102? Staff. It's at Carousel 4. Customs. The security area where officials check your documents and luggage when entering a new country. Traveler. Do I need to declare anything at customs? Customs officer. Yes, please declare any goods over $10,000.